We're at Kawalicious' house. As you can see, his bike is a little messed up. He's got new tires right there. Taking the Mustang to get them installed. Hopefully this thing doesn't fall, because it already fell once. Luckily I was able to catch it before the forks went into the ground. But these T-Rex front stands are not the greatest, so we're really worried about this guy. Hopefully it stays on. But yeah, we're off the Honda dealer to get these bitches installed.
Oh my god, why are we riding today?
We don't have to, dude. But how are you gonna get B-dubs if we don't? I don't get why you like squid some days and then on the hottest day you jacket, bro.
Do you have a backpack? I think I'm gonna take this jacket off.
What up, everybody? Brapaholic here. Again, I'm chilling with my boy, Kawalicious. He just got some fresh rubber put on that ZX-10 of his. It's a little late. We spent most of the day doing maintenance, so we're just going out cruising town. I'm on the Grom. It's like 100 degrees out and 99% humidity. It's been a rough day. So we're just gonna go cruise a little bit and try to relax. What the fuck is that? That was like a giant steel rod. Yeah, we're trying to outrun that rainstorm. Fresh skies over here, not so fresh skies back there.
It's like my bike feels weird.
What's wrong?
I think it has to do with like
let me see your chain.
That feels fine. Fire, and if I lean too much, I could die.
Yeah, don't want to die, bro. No dying.
I'd rather not die.
No dying today. I'm gonna take those two lights in my car because all those fucks drive so slow.
You're gonna pull over.
Why? I'm going 48. Oh, there's cops.
I'm like 10 over. Yeah, I know. That's what I'm fucking saying.
Just chill, bro.
Fucking pull over.
Just chill, bro. Damn, KFC looking fresh.
No.
Oh.
Talk about my rubber.
Your rubber? I see it. It looks okay. Turn your lights on! Jesus. People are so stupid. He's like, why can't I see my dash?
Yeah.
Scrub-a-dub-dub, dude. That's why they say to sandpaper them. Just sandpaper. Then you can sandpaper your chicken strips and no one will know.
We're about to get rained on.
Oh no! I think we're good. I mean, dude, the radar doesn't show shit, look.
They're already actually getting scrubbed.
I don't want no scrubs.
Which is interesting.
Why is it hot?
Well, no, like fucking just the grip on them. And they're barely scrubbed.
Sliding across it, dude. You want to feel some grip. Feel. Oh!
Yeah, yeah. Oh god. You're not letting me over.
Well, get out of the way when I'm trying to do sick woolies. Getting them higher, baby. Do you hear it right now?
Yeah. Trying to figure out where it's coming from.
Let's go to that parking lot where we were talking to like the deer. You know that road, and we'll check it out. It's hard for me to tell with my bike on too.
It's my chain though, to be honest. I want to say it's my front wheel, but I'm pretty sure it's my chain. And my bearing was going. But my bearing.
Kawalicious. Bike having problems. What do you know?
Here, you can hold my helmet.
I asked you like tons of times.
And I said that was fine.
No, dude. You were like, oh, you're gonna use my lube? You're gonna use my water, bro? No.
I was giving you shit about the water.
You can't use my water or my soap. Get the fuck out of here, brah. Dear.
Yeah, I already saw that.
Dude, I'm getting it, baby.
It feels take off.
Woo! You just missed a sick woolie. Oh my god, dude, it's so hot.
Yeah, no. So when they get...
You said fuck no, and then I had to go buy shitty stuff and use gear oil instead.
No. You were like, you said
what?
You wanted to use mine.
What?
Yeah, you said you wanted to use mine.
Couldn't hear you.
And I tried mine.
You told me I couldn't even use your water.
I'm going through.
Damn, dude, I ran this straight up red. Like, I wasn't even across the line.
I was in the middle of the day. And then Belle's gonna be doing that. Lacey's gonna start squealing because she's locked in the fucking...
It's so damn hot. a bad choice.
Milk was a bad choice.
Went down and it got like it got like 1 degree cooler.
Yep.
If the Kawalicious adjusted his chain, fresh lube on it, we're gonna see if it's still noisy. It already sounds way better.
I don't hear it clicking.
Oh, they're closing 5 minutes early. Oh wait, no, my clock's not right. I don't know what time it is.
It's 11:59, bro.
Oh, okay. It doesn't sound like it's falling apart.
That's good.
So we're going to B-Dubs?
What?
We going to B-Dubs?
Oh.
When I'm riding, thinking I'm hearing noises off my bike, I can now pinpoint that they were 100% from your chain.
I noticed especially
Watch out, this guy just randomly turning around and going the same way he was originally going. Well, I'm stoked we got it fixed, and I learned how to tighten chains better in the process, so everybody wins. Now instead of just like picking it up and down, I can be like, nope, this has the recommended spec that is suggested by Yamaha.
So you want to go down the rail trail?
No.
Why not?
Because that's not a good idea.
Why?
Because there's people biking and shit on that at all hours of the night. He got out of his house and go like sit in the middle of it and smoke weed and shit and drink. And there's been multiple occasions where we were just like sitting there getting trashed and like bikers just ride by. Dudes on rollerblades just skate by at like 4 in the fucking morning. Oh my god.
You almost died.
I almost lost that one.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, you want to leave it too sideways.
Yeah, I saw that. I'm gonna rev bomb him this time.
Oh, yeah?
At Oscars. Fuck yeah, dude.
Yeah, if you do it, I'll do it.
Alright, well I'm going to do it, so...
Oh, yeah?
So be ready. Alright, so when we pull up to Oscars, I gotta lock up the rear brake, rev bomb, and then wheelie.
Yeah?
The ultimate combo. That was pretty fucking sick. A cab going to pick up some drunkies.
Damn right. Or
Damn it didn't squeak.
are they gonna go?
I don't know, but my brake didn't squeak. I was kind of bummed. I tried to squeak my brake and it just slid and didn't make noise. It's gonna ruin my rev bomb.
Yep, and your wheelie, bro.
Damn it.
Yeah, because you're gonna... I would wait until we get to the...
Bro, go around the taxi.
Tell him.
Let's go, George. Hey!
Hey! My shit's fine. Get out, mama. Die, dude. Watching you go towards the curb, and I'm like, well, he's gonna look cool, and then be like...
Smashed it!
There was a bike there.
I saw him. He revved at us. He had a cigarette in his mouth, and I'm pretty sure he had a blow-up doll on his back seat. Like, that's what I saw.
I think he thought he was louder, bro.
I think so, and then you were way louder. And then I did a sick wheelie, so, you know. That guy's probably sitting back there like, just turns his key off. Shit. All I got is this stupid blow-up doll and a cigarette in my mouth. I don't care. Until we get kicked out.
Right over here. Oh, Simon's too bright. I'm gonna have to...
I know, that's what I'm saying. I couldn't get any, like, focus on it.
Silly if cop comes, so I'm gonna park over here. I was like, I don't know that guy.
Bro, I can't get my glove on. Are you dragging?
Basically, dude.
Your knee is so close.
Me up next week when you want to hang. But she never did.
Of course not. Because she's a bitch.
That, like, they think they just be hot. I'll be a trophy wife.
Honestly, my girlfriend didn't...
There's something in my fucking helmet. Hold on.
Oh my god. Really?
Oh, God.
Oh, God. You're good. You're good to stop. You're good to stop.
Get it the fuck out of my helmet.
I don't have hazards, but you're good. You're good. You're good.
Get the fuck out.
What is it, a spider?
I don't know. It touched my ear.
Kawalicious almost died, guys.
Yeah, I got it on video.
Well, you can get a carport parking spot, but you're gonna have to defend it from fucking meth heads. Hey guys, so I forgot to film an outro, but I'm in my garage right now. Took the back wheel off the Yamaha, took the wheel bearings out. I'm waiting on a bearing press because I don't have a socket or anything to fit it. Hopefully I get this bitch up and running soon and back to normal. For now, just gonna be riding on the Grom. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. More to come. See ya.